Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is our How to series, where we talk about how to navigate through our platform. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. To visit our website, type longswitchacademy.com in your system browser. In today's video, we will talk about how to navigate through blog section on our platform. So let's start. As you see, this is our home page. By pressing blog option, it will redirect to blog section on our platform. Here you will get all the blogs. Here you can search a blog by specific keyword. In category section, you can get blogs related to categories. In latest post, you will get all the latest blog posted on our platform. Here you can search a blog by popular tags. So let's search Salesforce. As you can see, it gives all the blogs related to Salesforce. Now let's read a blog in detail. To read blog in detail, click the read more option as it will redirect to detail page of the blog. Here you can read blog in detail. Here you can share your review on LinkedIn and YouTube. You can also drop a comment by logging in. That's it. If you have any doubt, please let us know in comment section. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. Thank you.